guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. If you are new, welcome, my name is Selle. Today I am going to speed clean my son's bedroom, do tons of laundry and declutter plus organize his closet. I haven't really do this in a while and I noticed that he have clothes that are smaller for him now which I can declutter. I usually throw away the ones that are old and broken and donate the ones that are still in good condition. It's also almost back to school time, so I think it's the best time to do this before I go shopping for his new clothes so I know exactly what to get him. I hope you clean along with me today or stay tuned to try and get some motivation going to tackle your own to-do list. Let's do this! I need to change his bed sheet, so I already took that off. Now I'm just sorting his laundry. I separate the shirts from the pants and also I separate the inside clothes from the outside clothes. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. My contents are all about realistic cleaning motivation, satisfying home organization, grocery hauls, and a little bit of mom life. I would really love it if you subscribe and join my YouTube family for more videos like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, friends and family, you are awesome and I want to thank you for your continued support to my channel. My house gets dusty really fast, so here I'm just quick wiping everything, the TV, the dresser, the nightstand, and also the sides of the bed.
I was facing all the sunlight while our feet swung freely from the bridge. The bridge. You asked if I'd save you, if you were crazy enough to take a swim, a swim. I tried to make you see that my shoulder is ready for you to lean on. So
here I found some of his stuffed toys that are broken, so I put that in the trash bag while he's not looking because he's not gonna like that. I know my son. I have to do that while he's not looking because he doesn't want to throw his toys away even though they're broken, so I always try to sneak up while he's not looking and put that in the trash. Moving on to his closet, like I said, he have a lot of clothes that doesn't fit him anymore, so here I'm just sorting everything and I did found a lot, guys, so I definitely need to get him some new cold clothes like jackets because he didn't have a lot left, and I do have a lot of clothes that I put in the trash bag, also in one of the bags to donate. And luckily for me, I have a nephew that is a few older than my son, so sometimes my sister would give me his clothes that don't fit him anymore and my son use it because why not? I save a lot of money because those clothes are still in good condition, so instead of buying more, I would just have him use those and I would add whatever else is needed.
I try to make you see blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give in to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction. Oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all.
Here, I'm just giving his closet door and his door a good wiping. I don't know why this is dirty, but it was. He has a lot of dirty handprints, and it's probably him. I don't know what he's doing, but it was dirty, so it's time to clean this.
On fire, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire, oh, 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 oh. Lights keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats aligned, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give it to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction.
His closet is so much better now. I don't put a lot in here. It's mostly just jackets and some of his shirts that I don't like to fold because it gets wrinkled. And then on the other side of the closet, I just have his bed sheets and his comforters.
I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. On fire. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire.
I just finished washing his mattress cover, so I'm just putting that back and then I'll make his bed. You will notice I didn't put his comforter back because he hasn't used it in a while. He's been sleeping on top of it, so I want to see if he's gonna ask for it. And at the end of the day, he actually did. He was wondering why he doesn't have his comforter, and I asked him if he wants it, and I told him I didn't put it because he's not using it. So he started using it again. I don't know why. He said sometimes he gets hot. He have a ceiling fan in his room, but I don't know what's going on, but I put it back at the end of the day. But here you'll notice I didn't put it. This is the next day, guys. I'm just continuing the laundry. I do hang most of my son's clothes because they do shrink even though I use a lower setting heat. So I just hang them to dry, and it usually takes about half a day to dry. That's why my laundry takes forever. So I'm just finishing the laundry here, and we'll do a lot of folding next. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home or your to-do list of chore. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up as it helps my channel. Comment down below and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free, and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate you and your time spent with me, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!